At DJI, we empower global users through cutting-edge technology, and safety always comes first. DJI FlightHub 2, the all-in-one cloud-based drone operations management platform, offers multiple safety features and data protection measures to ensure the security of both equipment and information. To confine drone operations to approved airspace, FlightHub 2 offers 3 geofencing options. No-fly zone blocks drone entry into sensitive or hazardous areas. Work zone restricts drones within a defined operational range, meeting regional regulations. No landing zone prevents landings on high-risk terrain like highways. For collaborative projects, FlightHub 2 enables precise control over access. Project Output Admin can only access flight data, cannot control the drone. New Project Device Operator can control the drone, cannot access flight data. New Project Device Admin can only maintain equipment. It also supports custom roles and permissions, enhancing the security of equipment and data. To better manage drone flight missions and processes, FlightHub 2 introduces a flight log feature. The flight log allows for real-time playback and review of flight paths, enabling users to view the drone's position, attitude, and actions at any given time. Both summary information and detailed data of the flight log can be exported as text, providing documentation for compliance audits. For maximum privacy, FlightHub 2 offers an on-premises version that can be set up in local networks or private clouds. It supports secondary development, allowing deep integration with other software systems. Independent front-end components enable rapid integration of route editing and cockpit functionalities. With Open API, users have direct access to all FlightHub 2 features. The MQTT bridge deeply integrates cloud APIs, enabling cost-effective migration. To meet regional data storage requirements, data of Chinese users is stored on Alibaba cloud servers within China, while data of overseas users is stored on Amazon cloud servers, which are deployed in the US or Europe, allowing users to choose where to store the data as per their own preference. The DJI Dock solution integrates advanced geocaching and FTS to safeguard compliant operations, meeting EUC6 certification standards. Our triple protection automatically stops the drone's flight if it exceeds preset operational volumes and activates rotor stop protocols if emergency volumes are breached, ensuring airspace safety through intelligent management. In emergencies, users can quickly land via the remote piloting page with one click, swiftly clearing the airspace. Emergency landings can be canceled or manually controlled to avoid obstacles. Post-landing coordinates will be communicated via FlightHub 2. FlightHub 2 is ISO 27001 and 27701 certified by British Standards Institution (BSI), ensuring robust information security and privacy compliance. We don't just innovate, we protect. Learn more at enterprise.dji.com/datasecurity or email datasecurity@dji.com.